Well, here we are again. Dr. Rivetti, would you show us a little bit about the product? We've got the 3 different parts right here.
Okay, can do. To start off with, we have the first step, which is the vitality. Now, this is the green tea portion of the product. It's the green tea that we've engineered to be higher concentrations of all the nutrients and things that we need.
Nice.
Right?
So it's really powerful.
So very powerful. So on the back, it shows all of the vitamins and everything that we have in there. And I think people are going to be rather surprised at the content of vitamins and nutrients that are in here. So wow. This is the vitality portion. Okay, this is the loose leaf green tea.
Where might somebody be able to look and see all the ingredients?
Well, just turn the can around and it's all on the back. We've got a list there, and this is actually a partial list of the contents of the product, because there's actually over 80 of all the known elements in the product as a whole. So we're talking about things like gold and silver, things that your body needs, that especially your brain needs in order to function properly, that we generally don't get in our daily intake of food. Okay. So we've got a lot of things in there that we need. So this is the green tea portion. I'm going to take it off so we can move on to the next step, which is what we call activator.
Now, why would we need the activator?
Well, I'm actually going to get to that.
Okay.
So
yeah, sorry, go ahead.
No, yeah. The activator actually is what it is, a powder that we've developed. And we've developed this because our bodies, naturally can only absorb between 10 and 20% of any of the nutrients that we ingest. Now, this is a little bit different when we're babies. When we're babies, it starts off much higher. And as we age, our things begin to age and they start to break down. And by the time we hit adulthood, our ability to absorb nutrients is greatly depleted. And that's one of the reasons that we age, because we're not getting the nutrients that we need to keep up the repair of all of our cells in our body. So nice. What we've done here is with the activator is it actually, we mix this in with the final tea after it's brewed, right? We mix it in and it actually helps increase the absorption rate and of all the nutrients that are in the product.
Oh, wow.
And there's also other things we've added in here. We do have different things like probiotics and things that we've added to the product as well that help digestion and other things, and help keep good flora inside your stomach, so that you're able to process food and things like that. So a lot of great things to this, so that's basically the main purpose behind this, is to increase the upload of the nutrients into your system so that you're getting closer to that 95 to 100% range of absorption.
Wow,
so
95 to 100%?
Yeah.
Wow.
So really, really amazing stuff. So I'm going to move this one also. And the third part of the system is what we call injector. Now,
that is small, so you'd think it's insignificant. But
you think it's insignificant, but it actually contains a lot of the technology that we have and what drives a big majority of the portion and what creates a lot of the effectiveness of the product.
Wow. So,
because what happens is once you get the nutrients absorbed into the system, the body it's an efficient system, but it has some downfalls. Okay. That generally are created because of things that we've done to it over our lifespan. Okay. This actually will bind to the molecules of the EGCG, the epigallocattin gallate, which is the most powerful form of antioxidant we know of that we have in the product. Wow. And it binds to the other things, like the vitamins and the minerals and things like that, and will actually transport them directly in the body to the cells that need it most.
Wow, yeah, I remember you saying something about that. Wasn't it, what, Molecular Nano Technology?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. We used what is called Molecular Nano Technology, and it's the newest science, that's out there. Still in its infancy. We're just really starting to scratch the surface of the capabilities of this incredible technology, but, we have been able to utilize some of the things and create some new technology ourselves that has helped us facilitate some of that technology. So this is part of the outcome of that. And so pretty amazing stuff. I mean, it's going to actually bring it to the cells that need it most. And when a cell in your body has the things that it needs, in order to take care of itself, it will last longer. It's kind of like, have you ever watched Star Trek?
Yeah.
Star Trek, they raise their shields, right? They're being attacked. Same type of thing, antioxidants and things, they actually protect our cells by kind of creating a type of shield around them that protects them from oxidation and oxidants that are going to kill the cell off and destroy it. And so our bodies, because we're able to protect those cells better, are the cells are going to die off more slowly, which means our body doesn't have to replenish them as fast, which means we're actually better able to keep up with keeping our body healthy and alive. Wow. Because generally what happens is about the time we hit 30 years of age, we actually don't start aging until we're about 30, around that time. Because our body is able to continue to repair and replenish the cells at about the same rate that we lose them, about the same rate that they die off.
Wow.
About the time we hit 30, it starts to decrease, and then we start getting wrinkles because we're not able to replenish the cells in our skin as fast, and so we start aging, and that's where the aging process really starts. So it's not, we don't start really dying when we're born, we don't really start dying until about 30. Now, if we can slow down the process at which those cells are dying off, our body's much better able to keep up with creating new ones, and so the aging process slows dramatically. It also protects our cells from, disease and viruses and things like that. So
wow.
Extremely important. The most important thing about this product that we have to get across to people is the fact that we're working on a cellular level.